Hey everybody, welcome back to Conscientious Omnivore. My name is Pal. Out here in the backyard with the family. We are cooking up some more corn like I did in the video not too long ago. I'll link that if anybody wants to see it. That's our favorite way to cook corn. And now we are cooking up some plant-based meat alternatives. There is the chicken breast type of, it's like a fillet cutlet or whatever you want to call it. I don't know. Obviously it's all plant-based, so you don't have to worry. It looks a lot like an actual chicken breast though. It's kind of crazy, and it browns up like it, and it crisps up around the edges and stuff. It's pretty amazing. It tastes great, and the kids love it. We love it. It's really good. And yeah, it's really cool. So we're getting those ready. And then the next thing I'll cook up after those is these, basically it's like a salmon fillet type thing. But again, all plant-based. And you don't have to worry about the cruelty or the cholesterol. So anywho, these are pretty good. We like these. You can get them in most of the big supermarkets in the area, so it's pretty easy to get a hold of these. I don't know if they're available where you are, but certainly I would give these Vivera a try if you're in the kind of market for something, meaty, and you kind of miss the taste of it, but you don't want the cruelty aspect. So anywho, that's it for today's video. If you liked it, please do give it a thumbs up. Let me know if you have any favorite, meat alternatives, and yeah, put them in the comments. See you guys. Bye. Didn't want to leave you guys hanging here. The fish fillet type thing looks great when it's cooked up as well. So I just wanted to show it to you.